Hello. I ever start you before?
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on the covers, and I kept it undercover, cause I don't kiss and tell. You know I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time.
Guys, welcome back to another banger video. Yes. And you know, it's again Tony and Martin here, back with another video, as I said before. As you can see, they're gonna title what I'm about to do today. Never ever. Cause you people has been asking for it, so I'ma go give it to you. So let's get in the video right away. Remember, before watching the video, like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Almost at 110 subscribers. Yeah, hit that bell, share my video them up, copy the link, whatever, share, tell a friend for tell a friend for tell a puss for tell a dog for tell a anything, your turtle, your rabbit, just do what I say. So let's go get into the video. Alright, so the first question is, never have I ever been kissed? Alright, some of them questions are gonna come with story time. Yes, I have been kissed. My mother kissed me, my brother kissed me, long time friend kissed me. All them. If you not have your first kiss, that means you're not a teenager yet. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, if you know, you know. Don't know the sweepings. Alright, now. Never have I ever said a bad word. You see why my brother them trigger off my head? I just start cause pee. When I start cause pee, I don't know. I'm just getting trigger off some just cause one or two bad word. Yeah. Never have I ever had a boyfriend. Alright. I have had boyfriends. Yes, good share boyfriends. And I'm not in 15 yet. Yes, I have had a boyfriend. But this one do me real bad. Yes, I have a boyfriend. If you do not have a boyfriend, you're not over 13. No boyfriends. You must not have a boyfriend unless you're 18. So nobody will follow what people are there. Don't follow me either. Remember to subscribe and then go over to my lyrics channel at Tonian Lyrics and tell her say, but tell myself say me send, you know. Just go like up the video them and share and copy the link. Anybody send it to anybody. Never have I ever shaved my legs. Not don't get started on my leg. I have never shaved my legs. I have ear skin but not so much ear. You don't see pre. Never have I ever watched an R-rated movie. Alright, still story. One day my mother sit down in there saying, you know, I will watch an R-rated movie. And then my mother looked for me like, if you don't do that, the man thing say you watch the all type of movie. Yes, guys. Next question. This is just a plain one. They will go over the juicy one. They were done. Alright. Never have I ever been to another country. Yes, another country. No, I have not. I have not traveled overseas as yet. Never have I ever met someone famous. No, I know more make Shensi and Alkaline. Touch. Never have I ever been behind the wheel of a car. See you next story time. No. So when my grandfather did alive, guys, he used to come and me used to act like me and drive him car. He would have cuss out my dear lights. But me not care. Me I drive the car same way. Yeah. Believe it or not. Yeah, guys, believe it or not. But in dead now, so you don't know all of that is over. All of that is over. Alright, next one now, guys. Never have I ever played truth or dare. Regular thing that, guys, regular things. Never ever stayed up all night. Stay up about to 3 o'clock because what guys, me I watch one show on Netflix and them I don't remember the show name, but I know I already Debbie right here like it body of friend. I know I don't watch Jane the Virgin. Never have I ever been called to a principal office. One time ever been called to a principal office. One. Never have I ever broke a bone. Yeah, 1 grade. Me see my grandfather come and jump off. That's when my big dog frankly alive. Now 1 grade, not too much hear that. And jump off and I go. I think I either sprain or broke right there. So I don't know that one, but it get shoulder. Alright. Never have I ever been jealous of a friend. I'm not telling a lie. Some friend work my jealousy. Some friend work my jealousy, but is not friends or myriads my jealous over. Because if you work. Alright guys, let me get back to the video now. You see them things that because through somebody did call me, somebody have to end up go. Alright guys, let me just know. If you work towards it, you want you I go get it. The same as I take a picture, I go get it. That's time I work to the 1K. And guys are like, couldn't reach 100 subscribers without to know. Yeah. Yeah man. That's how it roll. Alright, we're going over to the juicy one now. And then after this, we're finished. Right. Never have I taken a sexy selfie. That answer the question? That answer the question? That answer on a question. Yeah, who not take selfie? Which teenager? Me now. Or me no not take selfie. Sexy selfie. I take sexy selfie, of course. Yes, I do. Alright, the next question is, never have I ever gone skinny dipping. I don't know when I'm skinny dipping. I don't want to try. I'm not gonna try it. Guys, alright guys, Malik's birthday is coming up. If you don't want to see my vlogging birthday, or just tell me. Z. Never have I, next question, never have I sexted. Me know almost every teenager sexted. If you don't know what sexted is, it is when you're like flirting, kind of flirting, but it's on the phone you flirt. Yes, that's what I know it has. Alright. Ever have I ever flirted with your teacher? You're mad? On a blood. Alright guys, sorry about that. So somebody over there said drilling and I see me at one video. Here they again. Here they. Wow. Frustrated. Alright guys, my order and do this. I want to go over 10 minutes, but my order and do this card. I'm frustrated. Alright. Never have I ever had a one night stand. First of all, let me think. No. Period. No. Too beautiful for one night stand, baby G. Gotcha. Single. Alright. Never have I ever been dumb. I think almost every girl go through that. Never say every girl, I say almost. I have been dumb. You've been dumb because it's not everything for the boy. But if you're not pretty enough, that's a number one. You're not look good. Your body too flat. You this, you do that to him, you do this to you. What you not do, then call him. Hear it, I'm going to make a video. Alright guys, come I just going to come on with the video before my mother come. Alright, mama try to talk louder. Yeah, as I was saying, I wanna do this to the boy. And if you're a boy, I wanna do this to the girl. Let the girl say do it. Come on, pick that side, no. Me see that for myself, you know. And me, people when me be like if I just got a relationship, not saying I'm in one, but you can't know my business. when I'm not in a relationship, when me and the person in a relationship and we don't know, right? You hear your name all over the place. Say do this to the boy, say do that to the girl, and the boy do this to the girl, and the girl do this to the boy. All when you know. That's why it's clear. Don't know, so shippings go. Alright. Never have I ever said I love you and didn't mean it. Must say I love you multiple times and don't mean it. Don't take any offense anybody. Have you ever stalked your ex? That one is serious. Hello. I ever stalked you before? Ever stalked you before? When you're the premier person just don't stop them up them, they like, yeah, girl are ugly, she pretty, period. Period. Have you ever cheated? I'm not answer that question there. But it's enough. Stop enough upon yourself. Have you ever kissed a girl? Yeah, I kiss my grandmother, I kiss my sister, I kiss my auntie, I kiss my mother. I'm kiss my baby cousin. Never have I ever shaved down there. Down there, so half a shave. It's half a shave. Right through. It's half a shave. Girls, shave it unless you're not ready. Have you, two more guys, have you ever worn heels taller than 4? No. Because my baby can walk in her heels. Never have I ever thought a friend's dad was hot. Alright, to my intention, that never crossed my mind yet. Never. Alright. Never have I ever pranked someone and it finished at later. I can ask me a full question and say me a YouTuber prank me in this man. Anyways, guys. This is the end of my video. My tongue said it is 11 minutes and add. So like up the video and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. Team Tone in the building. She's out of the building. Peace. It's the Nation. Bye.